Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 BK Series 1 Mazda 3 Max sedan, stock reference number 4228. This vehicle runs from the first month 2004 through to the fourth month 2009. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left 5-wire type power door mirror. Left rear door has a few light wobbles and a couple of small dents. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door appears to have no damage. And a right power door mirror, 5-wire type. And a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, non-MP3 type, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.